गुड आफ्टरनून, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते, सलाम एवरीबॉडी। मैं शुरू करूं उसके पहले हमेशा मैं अपने मीडिया के भाई बहनों को कश्मीर के थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूं और आप सबको रमज़ान मुबारक। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि होली मंथ में मैं आज कश्मीर में हूं और हम ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। सो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर बीइंग हियर एंड ऑलवेज सपोर्टिंग रूबल नागी एंड रूबल नागी आर्ट फाउंडेशन। आई थिंक आप लोगों की मदद के बगैर हम लोग इतना एक्सटेंसिवली कश्मीर में काम नहीं कर पाते, तो मेरा लगाव आप लोग से बहुत है, आप सब जानते हैं। सो थैंक यू कि रमज़ान में फास्टिंग है और आप लोग फिर भी आज सब यहाँ पे आए हैं। I return to Jammu and Kashmir today with deep gratitude, humility and a full heart. After receiving the GEMS Education Global Prize 2026, I feel profoundly meaningful to come back to this land that has shaped my purpose and strengthened my resolve. Jammu and Kashmir and Maharashtra are both home to me, and I stand here today carrying the love, lessons and hope of both. I am deeply honored by this global recognition, and I wish to express my heartfelt thanks to His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum and Mr. Sunny Warki, founder GEMS Education and Chairman Warki Foundation, to the distinguished jury and UNESCO for bestowing this honor upon me. But let me tell you this clearly, जैसे कि मैंने हमेशा कहा है, this award does not belong to me alone. It belongs to every child who dared to dream, every teacher who refused to give up, and every community that walked this journey with us. I'm happy to be back home and to share this moment with all of you. For over 2 decades, through Rubal Nagi Art Foundation and Misal India, we have worked closely with communities across India. Our work in Kashmir Valley is known to all of you. Not from announcements, but from shared classrooms, conversations, and collective action in education, community development, and women empowerment. Following an extensive ground survey and an on-ground recce by me and my team in last 3 days while I was in Kashmir, we have identified areas that required urgent and focused intervention. We begin our next phase of development from Simari village, Amruhi, Jabri village, located along the line of control in district Kupwara, regions that deserve opportunity, dignity, and sustained attention. In addition to this, we will also be establishing digital educational centers, learning centers, computer centers, skill centers in Narbal, Bandgam in Budgam district. The initiative reflects our commitment to bridging the digital divide and ensuring that children everywhere, regardless of geography, have access to modern and future-ready education. These digital classrooms will not only provide access to technology, but will also introduce artificial intelligence, AI, as a smart learning tool, guided carefully by trained teachers. Through these classrooms, teachers will help children experience learning in new and engaging ways, learning mathematics and languages with visuals, hearing explanations in simple and familiar language, exploring visual creativity, and developing early career awareness. AI will act as a supportive learning companion, helping children understand concepts better, ask questions freely, and imagine possibilities beyond their immediate surrounding. The objective is not technology for its own sake. The objective is exposure, dignity of opportunity, and future readiness, so that children growing up in the border areas are not left behind in a rapidly changing world. And expand access to quality learning, we break cycles of intergenerational poverty and open doors for lasting change. Our work will here focus on 4 major key areas. First, economic empowerment for women through skill development centers that create livelihoods, independence and confidence. Second, social infrastructure development by improving school facilities, our center facilities, and expanding access to equality and quality education. Third, digital inclusion by setting up digital learning hubs that equip children with skills for the future and introduce AI as a smart learning tool. Fourth, inclusive development by empowering marginalized groups and minority communities, ensuring that no child or woman is left behind. I dedicate the GEMS Education Global Teacher Prize 2026 to all the children I have worked with across India in different villages and slums, and to all the teachers of the world, not just India, and also our shared national vision of Viksit Bharat, a developed, inclusive, and empowered India. This recognition strengthens my resolve to build an India where education is not a privilege but a right, where every child, irrespective of circumstances or location, has access to opportunity. Jammu and Kashmir is a living mosaic of cultures, traditions, faith, languages, and histories. Its social fabric is woven with resilience, warmth, and an enduring spirit of coexistence, from its Sufi heritage and artisanal excellence to its pastoral communities and dynamic youth. This region has faced challenges, yet it continues to preserve its dignity with grace and region. Our approach in the valley respects their cultural ethos,